Imagine cruising down a sun-drenched highway, the wind whispering in your ears, a golden sunset painting the sky ahead, and you're not in a car, not in a typical RV. But something unlike anything you've ever seen. A retrofuturistic marvel, blending the spirit of adventure with the charm of a bygone era. This is not just a trike. This is your home. Your escape pod. Your dream machine. This is the 2026 Futuristic Retro Camper Tricycle RV. At first glance, it looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie set in the 1950s, a glossy teardrop-shaped cabin, chrome accents catching the light, bubble windows that curve perfectly with the streamlined design. It's compact, sure, but it feels alive. It feels inviting. It feels like freedom itself has been given wheels. And yet, it's not just about good looks. This camper trike is designed for the future, smart, sustainable, and soulful. As you slide open the hatch-style door, the scent of fresh wood and leather welcomes you in. Step inside, and you're transported to a world where clever design rules. Every inch, every curve, has a purpose. A cozy convertible bed hugs one side, flipping up into a compact couch during the day. Above it, hidden compartments store everything from your favorite books to your morning coffee essentials. A sleek, fold-out table invites you to sit down, sketch out your next journey, maybe write a few postcards no one expects but everyone will cherish. The interior is a masterpiece of minimalism and warmth. Think polished brass fixtures, reclaimed oak panels, retro toggle switches for lights, and soft LED ambient glows that adjust with your mood. There's even a tiny galley kitchen tucked cleverly into the curve. A single-burner induction stove, a retro mini-fridge with a chrome handle, and just enough counter space to whip up a campfire feast or a midnight snack. But here's where the future part kicks in. This trike RV isn't just cool, it's incredibly smart. The chassis is crafted from lightweight graphene composites, making it strong yet surprisingly nimble. The whole rig runs on an advanced electric motor that silently hums beneath you, offering a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. Solar panels subtly integrated into the roof keep your essentials powered, from the mini air conditioner to the touchscreen dashboard that feels like something straight out of a spaceship. Hit the ignition, and the dash comes alive. Maps, music, climate control, everything responds to your voice or a gentle swipe. It even suggests scenic routes based on your mood. Feeling adventurous? It'll find the hidden coastal roads. Craving calm? It'll guide you to the nearest lake with a view that'll steal your breath away. And let's talk about the ride. Unlike traditional bulky RVs, the camper trike feels like an extension of you. 3 oversized, ultra-grip tires eat up the miles with confidence. The electric drivetrain delivers instant torque, making hills and rough terrain feel effortless. The steering is intuitive, smooth, almost playful. Whether you're weaving through forest trails or gliding along desert highways, it's impossible not to smile. Every stop becomes an event. Watch as curious travelers flock to you, drawn by the camper trike's irresistible retro allure. Kids point excitedly. Old-timers grin and give you a thumbs up. Photographers beg for a snap. It's not just a vehicle, it's a conversation starter, a story machine. And when the day fades and the stars come out, that's when the magic truly happens. Park wherever your heart desires, no campgrounds needed. The rear hatch opens up to reveal a stargazing deck. A rollout awning gives you shelter if you want it, but honestly, you'll probably prefer sitting under the open sky, wrapped in a blanket, sipping cocoa or a cold drink, watching meteor showers or counting constellations. Inside, you can dim the lights to a soft golden hue, curl up on the couch, and play your favorite vinyl tracks through the built-in retro speaker system. Yes, real vinyl, because some experiences just demand a crackle and a pop. Or maybe you'll video call a friend from the hidden 4G hotspot, showing them your unbelievable surroundings, hearing the awe in their voice. This isn't about luxury in the traditional sense. It's about richness of experience. About traveling light but living large. About seeing the world not through tinted windows, but feeling it on your skin, breathing it deep into your lungs. It's about spontaneity, about saying yes to roads untraveled, paths unexplored. And somehow, despite all its futuristic features, the Camper Trike RV feels profoundly nostalgic. It's like it remembers a time when travel was less about schedules and more about stories. When the journey mattered more than the destination. When strangers became friends over a shared fire or a shared sunrise. And the beauty of it all? You don't need to be a seasoned adventurer to own this feeling. Whether you're a weekend wanderer, a full-time nomad, or someone simply yearning to break free from the same old routine, this Trike RV makes it possible. It makes it easy. It makes it fun. You don't just drive this machine. You live through it. Every trip becomes a tapestry of unforgettable moments stitched together by laughter, wonder, and discovery. You'll find yourself sleeping next to rivers you didn't even know existed, waking up to the first blush of dawn in places you can't pronounce but will never forget.